Rod, the lower beads has the value of 10. So this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40. Okay. Now if you want to do 50, you are going to move the upper bead. So upper bead is 50. Okay. Now if you want to do 60, 50 and 10, that is going to be 60. If you want to do 70, 50, 60, 70. Okay. If you want to do 80, 50, 60, 70 and 80. If you want to do 90, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Got this? Yes? Did you all understand this? How we count from 10 to 90? Okay. So now suppose if you want to represent 11. Okay. If you want to represent 11. How we are going to represent 11? Who can tell me how?
Ma'am, one bead from 10 side and one bead from one side.
Yes, very good. So one bead from 10 and one bead from 1. So this is going to be 11. Now if you want to do 12.
Ma'am, one more bead from one side.
side में one और कर
One
दो.
more bead
One
from
more
here.
bead
So
from
that's
the
going
right
to be
side.
12. Yes. Now if I raise one more, this is going to be 13.
13.
Now if I raise one more, it is 14. Now if I raise 5 beads, it is 15.
15.
Now this is 16. If I raise
16.
one more bead, 17. If I raise one more bead, 18. If I raise one more bead, 19. Okay?
19.
Yes. So now if you want to do 20, what we have to do? For 20, what we have to do? Put all these beads to its place and here one more bead. So this is 20, 10 and 20. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if you want to do 21, again
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same thing.
Yes,
20 and 1.
One bead.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Then again if I want 30, so beads down in the ones place and raise one more bead here. So that is going to be 30. Okay. Now I will raise some of the beads. You all will tell me the value. Okay. Now tell me what is the value?
Ma'am, 22.
22. Now
Ma'am, 22. Ma'am,
27. 27.
okay. Now tell me the value.
Ma'am, 47.
47.
Now
47.
97.
97.
97.
99.
99.
Now
59.
59.
And 59.
now
59.
56.
56.
56.
Okay.
No, 56.
88. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 88. Okay, now tell me the value.
Ma'am, 83.
83.
Okay, so now you understand this rod, right? Have we read for the tens and ones. So today we'll do some digit additions, okay? Okay, now see here. I'll just show you one example here. That is 32 plus 51. Okay, you have to do 32 plus 51. So how we are going to do? Just see here. First 32. So 10, 20, 30 and that is 32. Now plus 51. So what is your answer? What is the answer?
33.
83.
Yes, 83. Yes, 83. Okay, that was your 83. Okay, now one more sum. This time I'm going to show you 32.
Ma'am,
Now,
32.
yes.
32, ma'am.
Now plus 50.
Ma'am, 53, ma'am.
No, it is 83. 83.
83.
Yes. Okay. Now see here one more sum we'll do now. 27 plus 62. Okay. So 20 and 7.
189.
So 60.
Ma'am,
60. So what is that?
90. Ma'am, 89.
89.
Ma'am,
89.
Yes, 89. Very good. Now did you all understand how we do that? 2-digit sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how
Ma'am,
many
can
sums
you-
got with you all?
Ma'am, can you say one more time? 160.
Okay, see here. Now if you want to add 27, so what you have to do, first you'll do 20 and then 7. So 20 and 7, 20, 10 and 20, and in the one slot 7, 1, 5, 6 and 7. Then you have 62. So 50 and 10, that is 60 and 2. So what is the answer? Now you have to count these beats. How many beats are here? 50, 60, 70, 80. And how many beats are here? 9. So 69 will be your answer.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am. Yes,
Only
ma'am.
have to move the beats. You only
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
move the beats and then count the beats for your answer. Okay? Okay.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
see here we have 15 plus 50. Now we have 15 plus 53. So how we will do that, sir? Who can tell me? 15 plus 53.
Ma'am,
See here, what was the sum? 15. So first we'll do 15. 10 and 5. So this is 15. Yes? Plus 51.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 50 and plus 1. So what is the answer now?
ma'am,
Ma'am, 66. 66.
66. Yes. Now suppose, okay. Now see here, suppose if I have 15 minus 5, then plus 2. So what is the answer?
12. Ma'am, what
Ma'am,
is the
12.
12.
12.
Now if I want to add 33 plus 5 minus 2, then 33 plus 5 minus 2.
Ma'am, 36.
Ma'am,
36.
36.
Yes.
36.
Ma'am, 36. Ma'am, 36.
Yes. Now if I want to add
36.
45 plus 3 minus 7. So minus 5 and minus 2. So
Ma'am,
minus
41.
Ma'am, 41.
40. Yes.
41.
Okay. So how many of
Ma'am,
you do have the rod? Come on, tell me how many of you have the rod? How you will do the sums? Do I have the abacus rod with you?
no, ma'am.
Yes. No one is having the abacus rod with you all?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now we understood how we do it. Okay, who is having this abacus? Shanvika is having the abacus rod, I think so. Anyone else is having the rod?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. See here, because now you don't have the rod, even we can do the same thing with our fingers also. Okay, we can do the same thing with our fingers also. So first we learn how to do the fingering. Okay. Then we'll do the same sum with our fingers, how we do on the rod itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll just show you the fingering first. Okay.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आपने सब्ट्रैक्शन करना भी बता दिया.
We are doing addition and subtraction together. Okay. Subtraction means what? When you raise one sum and you minus from that, right? Okay. See, I'll just show you again. I'll show you again. See here. Now, if you have 8, okay, 8. Now you want to do minus 5. Then what you're going to do? You are just going to move that beat away from the beam. So that is minus. Okay. So what is your answer now? 8 minus 5 is 4. Okay.
Four.
Now suppose if you have 22 plus 5. Now I want to do minus 7. Then what I'm going to do? Just move these beats away from the beam. So minus 5 and minus 2. That is minus 7. So your answer is 20. Got this?
20.
When you want to do
20.
minus, we just
20.
move the beats away from the beam. When we want to do plus, we just move the beats towards the beam. Okay? When we move the beats up, it is plus. When we move the beats down, it is minus. Okay? Understood? If you want to do plus 2, this is plus 2. If you want to do minus 2, this is minus 2. Okay? Now suppose if I want to do plus 1, this is plus 1. If I want to do minus 1, this is minus 1. If I want to do plus 3, move up. If I want to do minus 3, move it down. If I want to do plus 5, 5 bit will come down. This is minus 5. Got it? If you want to do plus 6, move towards the beam. This is plus 6. Minus 6 means away from the beam. That is minus 6. Got it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is plus and minus. So whatever numbers are there, you can add and subtract from that. Okay? So today we'll just see the finger abacus. Okay, till you don't have the rod, even you can do with your fingers. Now both of you all of you just show me your both the hands. Just show me your hands. Okay, see here. Now you have your right hand. Just take the right hand now. Keep your left hand down. Only your right hand. Okay, all of you will just take your right hand. Are you able to see my hand? All of you are able to see my
Yes,
hand?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
hand. Close this hand. Right hand. Okay, right
Yes,
hand.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, when you close this hand, this is your zero position. Okay, this counts to 0. Okay, now if you want to count 1, this is 1. If you want to count 2, this is 2. If you want to count 3, this is 3. If you want to count 4, this is 4. Okay. Now, in your rod, how many lower beats you have? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are your 4 lower beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your 4 lower beats of the ones place. Okay. Ones place, 4 lower beats. Now you have 1 upper beat. So your thumb is the upper beat. Okay. The thumb is the upper beat. So what is the value of the upper beat? What is
Ma'am,
the value of
5.
the 5?
5.
So your thumb is 5.
Five.
Is 5. Now when we want to do 6, what we do? 5 and 1, right? On the beats, how we move 5 and 1. So here also 5 and 1. This is 6. If you want to do 7, what we do? 5 and 2. So 5 and 2. This is 7. If you want to do
7.
8, 5 and 8. Okay. Now 5 and 4. That is going to be 9. Understood this? How we are going to count it on
Yes,
our hands? Okay. Now, whatever we were doing on the rod, same thing we can do with our hand. If you don't have the rod, even you can do the sums with your hand. Okay. Now, suppose if I want to do 2 plus 2 plus 5. So, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
Nine.
ma'am, 9.
9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the answer is 9. Okay.
9.
Now suppose if I want to do 3 plus 1 minus 2. So what is the answer?
Ma'am, 2.
2.
2.
I'm
Okay.
2.
Now if I want to do 5 plus 2 plus 2 minus 2. So what is the answer?
7.
6.
I'm 7.
7.
Seven.
Yes. 7. Yes. Now I want to do 7 plus 2 minus 4. So what is the answer?
Ma'am,
5.
5.
5.
Okay.
5.
Okay, so did you all understand how we can do with the hands?
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Mom, I didn't understand this.
Okay, see here. Now you have you know the abacus rod, right? You know the abacus rod, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
This you have the ones place. That is your middle rod, right? So how do we count in the ones place? The lower bits 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And the upper bit is 5. Okay.
Yes,
Do you know this much? Yes. Do
yes,
you know?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the hands also, it is the same thing. If you open one finger, it is 1, 2 finger, it is 2, 3 finger, it is 3, 4 finger, it is 4. So these are your 4 lower beats, okay, of the ones place. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now one upper beat you have. You have one upper beat, the value is 5. So your thumb is the upper beat, that is 5. Okay, understood this? So 1, 2,
Yes, ma'am.
3, 4, and this is 5. Got it? Okay, now I'll just show you it on the screen. I will just show you all on the screen this. Yes?
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, how can we show 69 on our hands?
Yes, that we will learn. That also you can show. Okay, I'll teach you that. First, let me clear with the ones place. Okay? Ones place we will be clear only with the one hand. Then I'll teach you that 2 digits also. Okay? Now see here. Okay, now see, all of you are able to see the screen? Here, this is your 1, the right hand. Okay, now this is 2, when you open 2 fingers. Then 3 fingers, 3. Then 4th finger, 4. Okay, then when you close this and open the thumb, it is 5. Okay,
5.
6. Thumb and first finger. Thumb and 2 fingers, 7. Thumb and 3 fingers, 8. Thumb and 4 fingers, 9. Got this? Did you all understand now?
Ma'am.
Yes, is it clear
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you some of the sums. Will you all do it and tell me the answers? Now you can use your hand. Okay, because you don't have the rod. When you get your rods, we can do it on the rod. Okay, ready? So when we start the sums, first you all will keep the hand closed because the answer is 0. Where the abacus rod also we bring to 0 position. So this is your 0 position. When all the fingers are closed, this is called as your 0 position. Okay. Now come on, 5, 5. Come on, do 5 plus 4 plus 4 minus 1. Minus
Ma'am, 8.
minus 1, you're going to close this
8.
last finger.
Ma'am, 8.
So the answer is 8. 5, 6,
8.
7, 8. Okay. Okay, next one, come on. When I say next one, again, your fingers close. Back to 0 position. 2, 2, minus 1, plus 3. Plus 3.
Ma'am, 4.
Here, 2 minus
Ma'am,
1.
7.
Plus 3. So what is the answer?
Ma'am, 4.
Yes, 4.
Ma'am,
Next,
4.
next one.
Ma'am, 4.
Next one. 4 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, see when you're closing, you should be always clear that you should close it from the back side. Okay, you will start closing your fingers from the little finger. 10 plus 1 plus 1. What is the answer?
11.
3.
It is 3.
11.
Who is that 11? How you get 11? How do you get 11? On this hand, we don't have 11 number. We have only the numbers up to 9. 1 to 9. Okay. Okay, next one. 9. 9 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5.
Ma'am, 9.
What's the answer?
5. 9.
9.
Answer?
Ma'am,
9.
9.
Yes, the answer is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Next one. 8. 8
8. Okay, ma'am.
minus 2
Minus 2.
plus 1
6.
plus 1.
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 7.
7. So 5, 6, 7.
7.
Ma'am,
The
7.
answer is 7.
Ma'am, 7.
Yes. Now, okay, now will you do the sums? Now I'll take the sum. You all will do by yourself. Okay, come on. 1 plus 3 minus 2. Minus
Ma'am,
2.
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes. Next one. Next one. Back to 0 position. 5 plus 4 minus 6. Minus
Ma'am,
6.
3. 4. 3. 3.
Ma'am, 3.
Yes. The answer is 3. Yes. Yes. The answer is 3. Next one. 3.
Ma'am, 3.
Next one. 3. Yes. Next one. Come on. 3 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2.
Ma'am,
Minus
2.
2.
Ma'am, 2.
2. Yes.
Ma'am,
Next one. Next one. Come on. 1 plus 1 plus 2.
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4.
Yes. The
Ma'am,
answer is 4. Yes. Next one.
4.
Next one. 2 plus 7.
Ma'am, 7.
Yes. So how you have to do? First you have 2 plus 7. So 5, 6, 7.
Yes, ma'am, 9.
And 5, 7.
Ma'am, 9.
Minus
9. 9.
minus 2.
Ma'am, 5.
Answer is 5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
5.
Yes. Next one. Come on. 1 plus 8. So how will do plus 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. 9.
9.
Minus 8. So minus 6 means minus 5 and minus 1. Minus 6.
Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 3 आ जाएगा.
3.
3.
Yes.
Ma'am, 3.
Next one. Next one. Come on. 1 plus 6. Plus 6. So 5 and 1 again.
7.
Minus 2.
Ma'am,
Minus
7.
Ma'am,
minus
5.
2 minus
Ma'am, 5.
5. Yes.
Ma'am, 5.
Next one.
Ma'am,
3. Next one. 3 plus 5 minus 7. So what is the answer?
Ma'am, 1. 1.
Ma'am,
Okay.
2.
Ma'am, 1.
It is 1. It is 1. So you have to answer 2.
Ma'am,
Is
Ma'am,
wrong.
2.
Answer is 1. Okay.
2.
3 plus 5 minus 7. So 5, 6, 7. So it is 1.
1.
Okay.
1.
Yes.
1.
Okay. Now I'm just sharing the screen. I'll just share the screen. You all will do the sums and tell me the answers of the 1 digit with your fingers. Okay. You all can do it with your fingers.
Ma'am, these
Okay, come on.
questions.
Yes. Come on. Do the sums. Are you all able to see the sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on. First one. 1
Ma'am,
plus
1.
plus 1.
Ma'am,
Again plus 1.
3.
What is the answer?
3.
3.
3.
Ma'am,
Yes.
3.
Next one.
7.
7.
Yes. 1
7.
plus 1 plus 5.
Yes.
So it is 7. Next one.
8.
8.
8.
8.
Next one.
9.
9.
9.
Okay.
9.
The next one.
Ma'am, 9.
9.
9.
9.
Ma'am, 9.
9. 9.
Next one.
7.
7.
7.
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 7.
9.
9.
9.
9.
9.
Next one.
9.
9.
9.
6.
6.
6.
6.
8.
7.
7.
8.
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 8.
9.
9.
9.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
8.
9.
Next one.
9. 9.
9.
Okay.
Ma'am,
The next
9. 9. 9. 9.
Okay.
9.
9.
3.
3.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 6.
6.
Ma'am, 9. 9.
9.
9.
9.
9.
9.
8.
8.
8. 9. 9. 7. 7. 8.
Okay. Okay. So today I just, okay, all of you listen here. Just today I spoke in English. Did you all understand?
9.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Did all of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a
Yes, ma'am.
all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am. I have understood it.
Or anyone who has not understood this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all of you are clear
No,
with this?
ma'am.
Yes. Now on our rod, the second rod you have 10, 20, 30, 40, right? And the upper bit is 50, then 60, 70, 80, 90, right? We have seen this. So now you all will take your left hand. All of you take your left hand now. Okay?
Ma'am,
In
at
left
0.6.
hand, first finger, this is 10. First finger, 10. Second finger, 20.
20.
Third finger, 30.
80.
30.
Fourth finger, 40.
40.
4 lower beats of the tens place. 4 lower
Ma'am,
beats of the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Now,
Yes.
close this and the thumb is the upper beat 50. The
50.
thumb is the upper beat 50.
50.
50.
So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
40.
Now if you want to do 60, 50 and 10.
60.
60.
Ma'am,
Okay.
60.
70, 50, 60, 70. Okay. 80, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. Now 90, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Understood this? Anybody
Yes,
has
ma'am.
this? I'm
Yes,
showing in
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
10,
Yes, ma'am.
20, 30, 40, thumb is
50.
50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Got this? So on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
left hand, we are going to count the tens. Left hand, tens. Right hand, ones. Okay?
Once.
Now, if I want to do 11, what I'm going to do? 10 and 1.
1. Ma'am.
10 and 1. 11. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, 11.
Ma'am, like this?
Has a question?
11.
Yes. Now, if I want to do 12, 10 in the right hand, 1 and 2. So 12. Okay. Now 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. Got it? Now
Good.
14, 10 and 4, 14. Now 15, 10 and 5, 15.
Chup.
Okay. Then this is the 5. This is the 5. Okay. Thumb is your 5. Not all the fingers. You'll not open like this. Only the thumb. So 10 and 5. So 15. Now 16, 10 and 6, 16, 17, 10 and 7, 17, 18, 10 and 8, 18, 10 and 9, 19. Now if you want to do 20, your right hand closed, left hand 2 fingers open, that is 20, 10, 20. Okay? Understood?
Ma'am.
Understood this?
Yes.
Anybody
Yes,
Yes,
has
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
anybody has
ma'am.
that doubt in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Get
ma'am.
out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 21. 10, 20. So 21. Left hand 20, right hand 1. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. And this closed and the third finger, that is 30. Understood this?
So, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Ma'am.
31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay. Then the same thing. 41, 42, 43,
Ma'am, I have a
44,
question.
45. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, the left hand shows tens and the right hand shows ones.
Yes. Yes. Left hand shows tens and right hand shows ones.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you might be seeing my hands in the opposite direction, okay, because we are sitting in the opposite direction. Don't get confused with that. Okay, this is my right
Okay,
hand.
ma'am.
Okay, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. Okay, you all see your right hand and left hand, don't see my hand. Okay, you are in the opposite direction, so you're seeing that. Okay, right hand is ones and left hand is tens. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
now
ma'am.
suppose if you want to do 51, then 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, then 60. The same thing, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay, then 70. Close all this and 7 on the left hand, 70. Okay. So on the left and right hand, you can count up till 99. Now what is this? 90. So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Okay. So on both your hands, you will be able to count from 1 to 99. Got this? Understood this? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody
Yes,
has
ma'am.
that? Anybody has that
Yes,
doubt
ma'am.
with the fingers now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now just I'll show you the fingers. Okay. Just observe this. All of you will observe this. See now. Then I'll ask you the questions. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that is your left hand up to 9. 1 to 9 you can count on left hand. Now, sorry, right hand. Now left hand 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, then 60, 70, 80, 90. Clear up to 90? All of you?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, now clear. Come on, now you all will count these fingers and tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes. Now you can see the pictures here, right?
ask
Ma'am,
First
54.
one,
98.
first
Oh,
one, what is
ma'am.
the answer?
98 answer.
Yes,
Ma'am,
the answer will be
Ma'am, 98.
98. Okay. So this is your right hand and this is your left hand. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is
Ma'am,
33.
77.
77. 50 is 7
77.
and 5, 6, 7. So it is 77.
73.
This one
65.
65.
65.
Now
61. Ma'am, 61.
61.
21.
61. Now
46.
Ma'am, 46. Ma'am, 46.
okay. Now
Ma'am, 95.
Ma'am, 95.
95.
95.
Ma'am, 89.
Ma'am,
89.
89.
Now
Ma'am, 2.
no,
Ma'am, 7.
this
6, ma'am.
is
6,
47.
ma'am. 6.
Now this 5. 6.
Ma'am, 6.
6.
Yes. Next one
85.
85.
85. Yes.
85.
Ma'am,
55.
Ma'am, 55.
Next one
21.
Ma'am, 71. Ma'am, 71.
49.
Here the thumb is closed. Thumb is closed.
49.
49.
49.
9.
Yes. Next
Ma'am,
one.
31. 31.
Ma'am, 31.
Next one.
23.
23.
Next one.
40.
Ma'am, 40.
Yes. Next
93.
Ma'am, 93.
now
15.
Ma'am, 15.
22.
22.
now
39.
75. Ma'am, 79.
9.
75.
Next one, 54.
54.
okay.
Fine.
Okay. Okay. Now clear. So now clear. Okay.
Yes,
So now
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
2-digit sums also. Okay. So come on, I'll share the screen for the 2-digit sums now.
Ma'am.
Okay, come on. First, so first one 10 and 5, 15. Plus
42.
3. So what is the answer?
68.
68. Yes.
68.
The next one, 63 plus 30, 95. 98. Yes.
98.
98.
Next one,
94.
92.
94.
94.
94. Next one,
99.
6
Ma'am,
plus
99.
99. Next one,
69.
54.
98.
69. Next, 3 plus
89.
Ma'am, 98.
89. Okay, next one,
Ma'am, 88.
88. Next one,
79.
Ma'am, 79.
79.
89.
next one,
88.
plus
99.
99. Who is that 99?
77.
55 plus
70%.
Ma'am, 99.
Okay, next one, 55 plus 20.
Ma'am, 77. 99. Ma'am, 99.
95 plus 50. Yes.
Ma'am, 95.
11 plus 35. 11 plus 35.
46. Ma'am, 46. 44. Ma'am, 44.
Next one, 96
Correct.
plus
64.
50.
Ma'am, 90. Ma'am, 98.
Down to 89.
99. Ma'am, 99.
88.
Ma'am, 88.
88.
Next one,
Ma'am,
88.
Ma'am, 88.
91. 91.
91. Ma'am, 91.
Okay, okay.
91.
Only the two rows of two digits.
99.
Okay, next time we'll do sums of 3 rows.
91.
Next week we'll do next class we'll do this 3 digits. 3 rows sums. Okay. Okay, now if anybody has the doubt, you can ask me. Anybody has the doubt, ask me. No doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have
Ma'am, no
reached
doubt.
Okay, I have one question to you all. Are you understanding if I'm speaking in English or you want me to speak in Hindi? Okay, if you are not able to understand, you can tell me. I can speak in Hindi. Okay. Okay. Anybody has a doubt who is not understanding?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So next class we'll do 2 digits, 3 rows sums. Okay. Today we did 2 digits, 2 rows sums because it is your beginning. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.